Hi guys, I'm Yulong. Finally, I decided to make these videos about Chinese 6 curing sounds, a really simple Chinese Qigong. And here is the first part. Uh, I'm, I'm a regular Chinese guy and I'm really into traditional Chinese medicine because I got lots of benefits from it. Uh, Chinese 6 curing sounds is one of Chinese Qigong, and it's really simple for you to practice. Uh, Back to 3 years ago, the COVID time, I got really bad cough, and to practice the Chinese 6 curing sounds, my bad cough disappeared. And for past years, I got lots of benefits from this practice. So I think it's if you're interested in it, you can make some practice, and it will help you to improve your healthy. Uh, First things is, what is the Chinese 6 curing sounds? As we know, every day we make breathing. Every moment we make it spontaneously. We don't feel we make the breathing. And the 6 curing sound is a special breathing way that we will make a special breath, inhale and exhale. And when we do the exhale, we will make special sounds with our mouth, use a special mouth shape. And it will associate with one of our internal organs, for example, the heart or the liver or the kidney, and will use this special sound. It will cure the disease of these organs. It's kind of amazing Qigong, amazing Chinese traditional Chinese medicine method. I will divide these videos to, I think, at least 3 parts. The first part is I will introduce something, the basic principle of this Qigong, the 6 curing sounds. And the second part, I will introduce you how to make these 6 curing sounds. And finally, the final part, I will give you some tips about these 6 curing sounds. Now I'm going to introduce you the basic principle of the 6 curing sounds. Back to ancient China, we do believe our world is comprised of 5 different elements. The first element is wood. And the next element is fire. And the third element is earth. And the next element is metal. And the next element is water. So we have the wood, the fire, the earth, the metal, and the water. 5 elements comprise the whole world. Actually, the wood is not only referred to the physical substance, the wood. It signifies the process or some kind of things that associate with wood. For example, the tree and vital energy in the spring. The spring is tree growing up. And the wood is associated with our internal organ, liver. So we must understand it's really important. Each word have lots of meaning. And the 5 different elements will make a circle. That is the wood to the fire to the earth, and the earth to the metal to the water, and finally back to the wood. And this arrow, we use this arrow, this direction means generate. That is, the wood generates fire, and the fire generates earth, and the earth generates metal, and the metal generates water, and the water generates wood. So that is can easily understand, because we have the wood. We light the wood, we get fire, and if we have a tree, we make it fire, finally we get a coal, that is earth. And inside the earth, we got metal, we get different mineral. And the metal, we get water. That is a little difficult to understand. You can think, if we melt metal, we can get a liquid, a water. Finally, we will have water, we can get wood. We get water, we water the plants, and the plant growing up, get wood. So we have this circle. This circle, that is generation circle. That's really important, because in the next step, when we practice the 6 curing sounds, we will follow the order to practice each sound. That's the first thing we need to know. The next thing is, we have 4 spring, 4 seasons. The spring, and summer, and autumn. And we have the winter. Spring, summer, autumn, and then winter. And the 4 seasons, we have 5 basic elements. 5 elements, they're widely known as 5 elements or 5 agents. 5 agents, I think, it's more popular words to describe the 5 elements. The wood, the fire, the earth, the metal, the water, 5 agents. And the wood associated with spring, a different color, associated with spring. And the fire associated with summer. And we have the metal associated with autumn. And the water is associated with the winter. So wood associated with spring, fire is associated with summer, and the metal is associated with autumn, and the water is associated with winter. What about the earth? The earth in the center. That is, earth signifies 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So earth is the center. It's really important to know it, because in the 6 curing sounds, we will use this diagram to make the practice: the spring, the summer, the autumn, the winter. And the different seasons for our inner organs, they have different activities. So that is really important to know when we practice six curing sounds. How the 5 agents are associated with our inner body, our organs inside our body. First, about the wood. Wood is associated with our liver. Wood is associated with our liver. The next agent, fire, is associated with our heart. The second organ inside our body. The third agent, earth, is associated with our spleen. And the metal, this agent, is associated with our lungs. And the water is associated with our kidneys. Our kidneys. So inside our body we have the liver, the heart, the spleen, the lungs, and kidneys. We have 5 different organs. Why we have 6 curing sound, and we have a special organ inside our body. In traditional Chinese medicine, we believe inside our body we have a special organ named as trip-wormer. Triple wormer. The trip-wormers. That is really special organ inside our body. What is the trip-wormers? Inside our body, actually, we know inside our body is a big cavity, and we can divide it to 3 different small cavities. That is in the traditional Chinese medicine, we divide the big cavity into 3 small cavities. From the center of the chest is the upper wormer, and between the center of the chest and the belly button is the middle wormer, and below your belly button to the downside, to the bottom, is the upper, middle, and the downside wormer, the bottom wormer. So I have 3 wormers. So that is why we name it as triple wormers. The upper wormer, the middle wormer, and the lower wormer or the bottom wormer. And the wormer actually is the containers for all the organs, the liver, the heart, the kidney, and the lungs. So the wormer is a special organ that can balance the functions of all the other organs, the heart, the liver, the lungs, the kidneys, and spleen. So it's a really important organ. So the triple wormer well associated with one of the sounds, the 6 curing sounds. And so we have 6 organs: liver, heart, spleen, lungs, kidneys, and triple wormer. We have 6 curing sounds. The different sound can cure the different organs. Before practicing the 6 curing sounds, you need to do the correct breathing. that here we must use abdominal breath. That is, when we do the inhale, we must use the nose to get the fresh air, get in the nose and get in our lungs. And when we do the exhale, we need to use our mouth, get the waste gas from the lung, out of the mouth. That is correct abdominal breathing way. So when you do the inhale, remember you need to do it naturally. And a really important thing you need to know is you need to make your tongue touch the upper part of your mouth cavity. The upper part of your mouth cavity. When you do the inhale and make the fresh air get into your lung, and just imagine the fresh air is coming from your top of your head, from the Mother Nature, and get into your body and get into everywhere inside your body till it gets to the feet. When you do the inhale, make it naturally. And at the same time, because it's abdominal breath, so you need to make your belly, make your abdomen rise up, make it rise up, make it bigger, as enough bigger as you can. Make it rise up when you do the inhale. And when you do the exhale, you need to know the waste gas and get out from your mouth. And at the same time, you need to make your belly fall down. Fall down, make your belly small enough as you can. So you can put your hands on your belly button to feel the rising up of your belly and the falling up of your belly when you do the inhale and exhale. The first, do the exhale, then do the inhale. So when you do the exhale, make your belly fall down. And remember, make it fall down, and at the same time, the bottom of your body, make it up. Make the bottom of your body up. And make your belly fall down, make it shrink, make it small as you can. Follow me to the exhale. To the exhale. Make your belly fall down as you can, and make your bottom of your body up. Stress it, make it up. Okay, and when you do the inhale, make it naturally, and your belly should be rising up, and your bottom of your body should be relaxed, and make it down. So do the inhale, follow me. And remember, the tongue must touch the upper part of your mouth cavity. Laterally, imagine the fresh air come from the top of your head and get everywhere in your body down to your feet. So, follow me to the exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale 2 times. Okay, that is a correct breathing way when we practice the 6 curing sound. Remember, inhale, use your nose to get the fresh air, and your tongue must touch the upper part of your mouth cavity. And your belly should rising up, make belly as big as enough as you can. And the bottom of your body should be relaxed when you do the inhale. And when you do the exhale, make the waste gas get out of your mouth. So your belly should be fall down. Make your belly smaller enough as you can. And the bottom of your body should be stretched and make it up. Inhale, relaxing naturally, and the gas come from the top of your head, get into inner body, to each part of your body, to your feet. And the exhale, and with gas, exhale. When you do the exhales, get out from your mouth. And the bottom of your body should be up, and make it stretch, and make your belly shrink as small as you can. Make it falling down. Inhale, naturally, and exhale, forcefully. Inhale, naturally, smoothly, and exhale, forcefully. To mouth. Okay, that is how to make abdominal breath when we practice the 6 Qigong sounds. You need practice more for this abdominal breath, and you should make you comfortable with this abdominal breathing way, because it's really important for our 6 Qigong sounds. After you master the abdominal breath, and the next step is really easy. When you do the inhale, make it naturally and smoothly. And when we do the exhale, we will add a special mouth shape when we do the exhale, so we can make special sound. That sound can cure the disease of our inner organs. I'll introduce you each sound, how to make each sound in the next part.